Hey everybody, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and it's time to get you updated on my plum tree that I've grown from seed. So I want to give you guys a quick update on my plum tree that I grew from seed. You'll remember I planted 2 seeds December of 2017. I want to give you an update on this one first because he has already started to break his buds. See if I can get a good look at these buds for you. There you go. We've got a lot of bud break. Now I know the weather's not the greatest. It's been raining non-stop this last couple of days, so I'm just finding a break in the weather to get you updated on him. Again, 27 months old now. So for those that are wondering if he has any chance of putting on any flowers or fruiting this year, pretty much no. It typically takes about 4 to 8 years from plum trees grown from seed to get any flowers or even fruit. Being at 27 months, we have a slight chance that he might flower next year, but most likely we're about halfway through his journey until he becomes a fruiting tree. It could be longer, it could be up to 8 years, like I said, you never know. But that being said, he's about 8.5 feet tall now, so I'm pretty excited about that. And because of all the bud break and all the leaves, we know he set down good roots over the winter. Now, 2 episodes ago, when he was 16 months old, I had just planted him in this spot that you see here. So he's now been in the ground about almost a year, or about a month away from being a year in the ground. And I didn't add any fertilizer at that time because he was a young tree. And I had just put him in the ground and I didn't want his roots to get burned. And then at the 3-month mark, I still thought it was pretty early because it was the middle of summer. But about a month ago, I did add some granular balanced fertilizer. I think it was 14, 14, 14 across the board, because knowing he didn't need anything higher than that on the phosphorus scale because he wasn't going to flower this year, I just wanted to give him some balanced feed. It is a granular mix. I don't remember the exact brand that I used at the time, but at the end of the day, the fertilizer has been in there for about a month now, soaking in. Hopefully he can take a lot of the nutrients in, put on some girth, put on some more size this year, and become a lot more of a mature tree versus the juvenile stage that he is in now. As far as watering goes, he's in my flower beds. My flower beds get a deep soaking twice a week on Wednesday and Saturday, and I turn off my sprinklers during the rainy season like it is right now. Once the summer season hits, he will get that twice soaking from my regimented schedule. But if I notice him struggling at all, or I notice the soil is not as moist as I would like it, then I will be adding a gallon of water to supplement the watering schedule, probably once a week, maybe on a Monday or a Tuesday. Now you recall he had a buddy with him, and it was the buddy that looked just like these peach trees we have over here, and I posed the question, was it a plum or a peach? Because we did not know. Now I know it came from a plum seed, but a lot of the cross-pollinization or the hybrid or you name it, you guys put comments down below and saying you'd be interested in seeing how that one does. Unfortunately, somehow, some way, it caught a disease over the winter and died. I don't have any pictures to show you, but it definitely died. I had to remove it, so we'll never know what the other plant was. I apologize for that. But I do want to get you updated on this guy so you guys can see how he's doing. Like I said, this year I plan on keeping you updated on all of my fruit trees grown from seed, just like I just did an update on my peach tree just about a week ago, and we have flowers on that one. Anyway, I think that pretty much covers it for this update. I'm looking forward to seeing how the leaves progress, how this tree grows this year, and again, I'll probably give you an update in 3 to 6 months from now to give you an idea of what kind of growth he has put on and how he's doing. Well, there you have it, everyone. That's my update on my plum tree grown from seed. I know it's a bummer that we lost the other one that looked like a peach tree. It would have been awesome to see how that one progressed as well, but that's gardening, and sometimes plants do perish. Hopefully you're enjoying this series. Hopefully you checked out all of my other fruit trees grown from seed series, because I will be updating them pretty consistently this year, and I do plan on getting a citrus tree grown from seed update as soon as possible, maybe even tomorrow. If you are enjoying all of my trees grown from seed series, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy gardening, and thanks for watching.